In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make group voice call in Telegram. Group voice chats are perfect for quick team huddles, community check-ins, or catching up with friends. And the process to start one is simple once you know where to tap. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get your call going with confidence. First, open the Telegram app on your device and enter the group chat where you want to host the voice call. Make sure you are inside the correct group, since the call will be linked to the specific chat. If you manage multiple groups, take a second to confirm the group name and icon so you don't start a call in the wrong place. Next, tap the group name or header at the top of the screen to open the group's profile page. This is the page that shows details like the group picture, member count, and settings. Moving to the profile page is important because the controls for starting a voice chat live here, not in the main message view. Now look to the top right corner and tap the chat icon. Depending on your device, it may appear as a small waveform phone or voice chat symbol. This button is your gateway to launching a live voice conversation for the entire group. When you tap it, you'll see two options. You can start the voice chat immediately or you can schedule it for later. Choose Start Now if everyone is ready to join right away. The room will open instantly, and group members will see a notification that the voice chat is live. If timing matters, choose Schedule for later. You'll be prompted to set the time you want the chat to begin, and Telegram will handle the announcement so members know when to join. Scheduling is great for larger groups or when participants are in different time zones and need advance notice. After you select the option that fits your plan, confirm your choice. If you are prompted to select your group again, pick the same group you opened earlier, then tap Continue to finalize. That's it, the voice chat is ready. Either live now or queued for your scheduled time. For the best experience, find a quiet spot. Use headphones if you have them, and speak clearly. Keep an eye on notifications so you don't miss the start time if you scheduled the call. And remember, you can always end the chat from the same area when you are finished. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.